Yeah, welcome back to our channel today, being the 24th day of August 2021. People have been asking me, among all these exchanges that we have on Play Store and different places, which of them is the best among all? Okay, today I'm going to walk us through these exchanges. The one from my own research, I believe is the best exchange so far. Your own review could actually be different from what I'm actually talking about today, but so far so good. Statistics shows that Binance is one of the best exchange in the whole world. This is CoinMarketCap. Let me give you statutory fact why I'm saying that Binance is the best. So this is here we are having exchanges under CoinMarketCap. So we are going to click on it to see how many exchanges that CoinMarketCap have. So once we've done that, then we'll now be able to understand why I'm saying what I'm saying. So this is Binance. Binance is actually rated as number one. Binance is actually rated as number one exchange here. Now when you check the total volume, you see that Binance within the last 24 hours it has done massive supply of about 26 billion plus. So this is not really a little kind of exchanges. You know, one thing you need to know in this whole market is actually controlled by demand and supply. You know, the second here is a Coinbase exchange, Huobi Global and other ones, but the top number one is Binance, and that's why massive volume is actually being traded on the app. That's why each time you see a new coin listed on Binance, you see how people will just rush for the coin and the coin will just skyrocket and wonderful things happen. So if you keep going down, you will keep seeing different exchanges that people are using for their trading. So far so good. These ones, the coins, the exchanges here are numerous, but because of our time, let me also show us another example of what I'm talking about. Now this is a Play Store. Let's type Binance for us to also understand what I'm talking about. Binance here have about 10 million plus worth of downloads. It has 10 million plus worth of downloads. So I don't know your own argument, but I believe that Binance for me is the best exchange. Any app that have the highest demand and supply is really going to do well in whatever industry they are actually servicing. So remember once again to subscribe on our channel. Also, any topic you have, questions you want us to talk about, drop them on our comment box below, as we'll keep on constantly making effort to give us daily information, daily tips, daily news about crypto and other related topics. See you in our next video as we continue dishing out this whole information. Peace. I say once again, I love you.